Hi there. Today we're at Christine Jewelers. I have here Gary. We finally don't have to see each other in Zoom anymore. We're excited because we have a brand new limited edition piece I want to share with you. I'll have Gary talk about the piece. Gary?
Yeah, so this is this year's new Tissot Motogp limited edition. And this is the new packaging that we have with it this year. So for years and years, Tissot have always made a helmet edition. And so the limited editions would come with a special collector helmet. This year, this is the new launch. And with this, we've changed the helmet. And you'll see now it's into more of a Motogp tire. So the level of detail here in the tire, we can see that it's all real rubber on the outside. You've got a beautiful Tissot logo here at the front. And when it actually opens, the watch is just inside here, sitting on this carbon fiber print on the sides here. You've got the Tissot logo up here. It's nice cushioned back, and actually on the cushion that the watch is sitting on, it's this leather with the perforation, which continues the detail of the design of the actual leather that's in the wristband of the watch. Now, because this is a Motogp, this is more of a sport watch, the leather's on this side, but it's actually rubber on the inside. So what's touching your wrist will actually be rubber. So that will be great for like sweat or anything like that if you're doing any sort of like activities with the watch on. The case size on this, it's 43 millimeters wide. It's just under 13 mil in thickness. But this is the quartz version, and there is an automatic version. Okay. And the automatic is limited to 3,333 pieces. The quartz, which is here, is limited to 4,999 pieces. The case size on it there. You know, you still lots of room for your hand to move and stuff like that. It is a chronograph, so you do have this extra level of detail of design, which is just here, the caliper, the brake caliper of a bike. But hidden underneath that then is where you have the crown and also the start and the reset button, which is for your chronograph. It's absolutely beautiful.
So we're expecting the watch to arrive in the store maybe next week?
Should be here next week. Retail for the quartz, we're talking 1,050 Canadian. If it's the automatic, it's 1,795. But it also comes, both executions come in this beautiful packaging.
Okay, so for those who want to come to the store to try it out, you're more than welcome to. Or if you want to see more details, you can go to our website, www.christinejewelers.com, or visit our store at Aberdeen Center. So until next time, thank you.
Cheers.